Namaste everyone, welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. This is the 7th part of Hanuman Chalisa. Let's start from 21. I hope you are comfortable till 20 now. Yes, we'll start with 21. Ram duare tum rakhware. Ka needs to be stressed. Hotan आज्ञा बिन पैसारे राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होतन आज्ञा बिन पैसारे. What is the meaning of this one? So the meaning of this is you are like a guardian for Rama's kingdom. So Rama Duare. Duare means the door or the gateway. So you are the one who was guarding the gateway for whom? For Rama. So the entire Rama kingdom, you are the guardian for the Rama's kingdom, who is the protector of a Rama's kingdom. Hotan Ajna bin paisare. Ajna is a permission. So without your permission, no one and nobody can enter, nobody can come near Rama. That means he is the one who is protecting. Hanuman is the one who is protecting Bhagwan Rama. That is the meaning for this stanza. We'll go with the 22. Sab sukh ka stress lahai tumhari sarna. सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी सरना. तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी सरना. तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. This is very famous lines in a Hanuman Chalisa. So this says Sab Sukh. Sukh means happiness. So we get all the kind of happiness. Sab means all, everything. So we get all the happiness when we believe in you. So when I surrender to you, when I believe you, I get all the kind of happiness. I enjoy all the kind of happiness when you are the protector. Rakshak is a protector. Tum rakshak, when you are the protector. Kahu ko darana, why should I scare? Why there should be a fear? When you are the one who is protecting me, there is no need to fear. Why should I fear? Dar means fear. That is the meaning for the 22nd. We'll go with the 23. Apan tej samharo आपै. आपन तेज संहारो आपै. तीनों लोक हांकते कांपै. हांकते कांपै. आपन तेज संहारो आपै. तीनों लोक हांकते कापै. So previous stanza we learned that Hanuman is the protector. So there is no fear when Hanuman is there. So what is the meaning of this? So here it says when Apan Tej. Tej means the power. So your power. Apan Tej. Your Tej. Samharo Apai. So when we remember your power, your roar, oh Hanuman, you are so mighty, you are so powerful. Tino lok, when they hear the roar, the sound of Hanuman, Tino lok, all the three worlds, Hankte Kampai. Kampa is a tremble. So they will tremble with the fear because of that fearful sound, the roaring sound. Hank is a roaring sound of Hanuman. So that is the powerful sound of Hanuman. That is the meaning for the 23. We'll go for the 24, the last one for the video. Bhoot, Pishach, Nikat, Nahi, Avai. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवै, महावीर जब नाम सुनावै. This is a very famous stanza in Hanuman Chalisa. Whenever there is we feel so much scared of something, we recite these two lines especially. So what is the meaning? Bhoot Pishach means the ghost or the evil things. So none of the evil things they come near. Nikat means near. Nikat nahi avai. They will never come near when Hanuman, Mahabir is considered here as a Hanuman, the most powerful one. Jab naam sunavai, when they listen to the name of Hanuman, they will never ever think about coming near to us. So that is the meaning of this line. So we covered 4 verses from 21. We'll repeat once. Ram tu aare, tum rakhware, hotan aajna bin paisare, sab sukh lahai, तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना, आपन तेज संहारो, आपै तीनों लोक हांकते कांपै, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवै, महावीर जब नाम सुनावै. Here we completed till 24. I leave the lyrics for this Hanuman Chalisa in the description box. Please do check it out. You can even take a screenshot of that and keep it for yourself. That will be really helpful for you. And I'll meet you in the next class. Till then, make sure that you practice this comfortably. See you then in tomorrow's class. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Namaste.